And Nourhen and Prateek, congratulations on being selected to participate in the Marketing Mastermind program.
Thank you.
Yeah, well done. Nourhen, I'm going to start with you and just ask a quick question in terms of why you decided to enter into the program.
Okay, okay. Why? Why HSMI program? It's very, very simple answer. Because I have a dream. Like, since the beginning, I started actually my journey in Tunisia a few years ago in the hospitality industry. And since the beginning, I know that this is where I want to be. Like, this is my passion, this is the industry I want to grow in and to give back to it. So yeah, I started my journey in there, and I decided not to give back just in terms of working hours in the office.
Yeah.
I need to go beyond this. So also, I decided to start my lifelong learning journey. I've never missed a chance to learn. Every time I see an opportunity, I jump into it. I wanna learn. I wanna grow. After this, I moved to Dubai. And here, I discovered that I need to learn more. This huge market, this dynamic market, to be able to survive here, you need to keep learning every day and every day. And then I discovered the HSMI Mastermind program, and I said, that's it. Like, having the opportunity to work closely with industry leaders, to be coached, doing projects with them, the networking opportunities. I said, yeah, that's the perfect next step to my journey. I didn't think about it. I just applied, and here I'm honored to be with you today.
Oh, fantastic. And it's really good to have you part of the program.
Thank you.
Yeah, well done. Prateek, I guess PM touched on it this a little bit earlier in terms of the benefits and the development opportunities that the program gives you, whether it's through one-to-one consulting, the provision of an assignment that you get coached through, or access to the sales and revenue advisory board members, which as a marketeer wanting to get more commercial experience is definitely very valuable. Out of all of those learning capabilities, which one are you enjoying the most, or which areas are you enjoying the most?
I mean, I'd say all of them, actually, but I think the one that's added the most value for me would be the one-to-one sessions, because it's not the easiest to get access to industry leaders, but having them in the same room as you discussing something which can help you grow, that makes a big difference to your career as a whole. And I think the second one would be getting to do something which I'm not able to at my current, let's say, job, or working on a project which I haven't touched upon yet in my career. One thing, it couldn't have come at a better time for me because I'm relatively new to the industry. Been in marketing for quite a while, but a little over a year in hospitality, right? So it kind of gives me a lot more insights than I would have from a regular day-to-day activities, and I think that's been a huge learning curve for me.
Oh, brilliant. And then in terms of the value that it's offering you, so obviously you've got these interactions, which is great, but what value is it offering to you immediately, but also in terms of your future career?
The biggest one would be, access to a lot of industry leaders beyond marketing. Because if you think of marketing, let's say the future of marketing, you might want to go into a more commercial-oriented role, which is a bit of what I aim to pursue as well. So the fact that we have one-on-one sessions available with sales and revenue members, leaders as well, that makes a big impact, because you get to look at a more bigger picture approach, and also you're getting to understand things commercially rather than just marketing. And it also brings you closer to the sales and revenue teams, to maybe the way you do things at your hotel or at your job would be a bit different, right?
Yeah.
So you're looking at it from a much bigger picture approach, and I think that's of immense value in the long term as well.
Oh, brilliant. And Nourhen, obviously this is the first time that we're introducing the program, right? And there's definitely opportunities for improvement, right? What do you believe is next for the Marketing Masterminds program for HSMAI? What gaps do you foresee? Where do you think that we can improve for the next round of mentees that are coming through the system?
Okay, so for me, still I have a lot of things to do, especially with my mentor. We still have a project to work on and all. But what I think it can be done next, the next round of candidates is maybe like the program can go beyond the 3 months. For example, the guidance of the mentors can be there, like if we want to approach them, if we want to connect with them, sharing experiences, thoughts and all. And also it will be a huge add-on if we can create an alumni network for the candidates where we can connect together, inspire together, like give inspirations, exchange. So yeah, I think it's an amazing 3 months, but if we can make it more than 3 months, yeah, it will be perfect. In
Fantastic.
the end, we are all like, we did the network, like we know each other now, we are are in touch, even we have our WhatsApp group and all. But if we can make
Secret WhatsApp.
yeah, but if we can make it like an official alumni network where we can gather, it would be perfect, I think.
Amazing. So it's taking the Marketing Mastermind, I guess, program and extending it beyond the program
Yep.
itself, which is great. And those are great recommendations. I think we were even speaking about having Marketing Mastermind alumni little
Yeah,
labels.
maybe we can add it
yeah, that
here.
could be a good opportunity. Thank you so much, team, in terms of your time today and also for your contributions to the program. Without you, it wouldn't be possible, first and foremost. And then to the audience, if there's anybody that's interested in the Marketing Mastermind program, or alternatively, you've got members in your commercial teams that you think you would benefit from the program, keep eyes and ears out for 2025. I think they would definitely benefit, as these colleagues have, with regards to participating in the Marketing Mastermind program. Thank you so much. Thank you.